And you can't tell her for to give up something you never had. She a real rough rider, let me get behind her. Put this dick inside her, and she just want my title. I make her eat a perk, fuck her, shorty, a survivor. She a hood queen, and her name is Renata. She a real rough rider, let me get behind her. Put this dick inside her, and she just want my title. I make her eat a perk, fuck her, shorty, a survivor. She a hood queen, and her name is Renata.
Kids, man, talking shit make me feel that. Man, fuck them kids, bro. Look around, bro. Look at life. You're right.
Killing spree.
Man, you see these fine bitches over here? Yeah. See these trees, man. You see this water? I guess it is over there. Oh, man, you got so much more to
Double kill. That's right. 5 in a row.
Damn right, I'm right.
Triple kill.
I was goddamn wrong. Yeah, thanks, Bobo. That's what I'm here for.
I ain't been getting high. Well, maybe a little, baby, I don't wanna lie. I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply. Well, you're not an angel either, you can't even fly. I know this, you think that you know shit. All this shade that's coming at me, I wonder who does it. They can't see the vision, boy, they must be out of focus. That's a real hot album, homie, I wonder who wrote it. Oh shit, okay, pray them niggas go away. Oh, we sell the clowns around, it look like Circus Soleil. This is not the album either, these are just the throwaways. This shit's still so cold when it drops, it's gonna be a motherfucking snow day. Hey, boy, it's good and he knows it. He don't say it, he shows it. I'm just like DeRozan. If I shoot it, it goes in. I'm in Cali just coasting. Get him so wet, they need coasters. I got a selfie with Oprah. I just ain't ever posted. And I'm in my happy place posted. I ain't frowned since 06. I ain't cried since 01. My bad, like Six Flags, and your house is no fun. You can come back to mine, though. Your friend in Cuba is fine, though. Gon' end on a high note. I spy with my little eye. A girly I can get cause she don't get too many likes. A curly-headed cutie I could turn into my wife. Wait, that means forever, ever, hold up, never mind. Oh, I spy with my little eye. A girly I can get cause she don't get too many likes. A curly-headed cutie I could turn into my wife. Wait, that means forever, ever, hold up, never mind. Oh, I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little light. Oh, I spy with my little light. I spy with my little light.
Champion.
She said she 21, I might have to ID that. All my bitches come in pairs like balls in my nutsack. I remember riding around the city in a hatchback, looking for a problem with my young goblins. I'ma send them all to home with a neck throbbing. I done made so much money that it's non-stopping. Got my brothers on my back like the last name. I remember telling everyone I couldn't be tamed. 6 months later I had stamped and now I'm in the game. Went from fake chains to diamonds in another lane. Went from can you take me here to scurrying out the lane. Went from down this nigga lane to remember my name. So I remember all the people who ain't fuck with me. They went to college, now all them niggas is history. I upgraded from gold to diamonds in my teeth. Riding deep in the van like we looking for a mystery. Greg used to don't fuck with me. Now lately I've been living life with luxury. Boat and cows stick together like piano keys. And on my mother's mother, I won't fuck a bitch without a damn rubber. I spy with my little eye. A girly I can get cause she don't get too many likes. A curly-headed cutie I could turn into my wife. Wait, that means forever, ever, hold up, never mind. Oh, I spy with my little eye. A girly I can get cause she don't get too many likes. A curly-headed cutie I could turn into my wife. Wait, that means forever, ever, hold up, never mind. Oh, I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little eye. Oh, I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little eye. Oh,
An enemy has drawn first blood.
Hey Spotifyers, click or tap the banner to listen to Summer Party. That's Summer Sound, brought to you by CVS. All In on Skin is here.
enemy.
Back in the 90s, they were the biggest talking chipmunks in the biz.
What if I did something like,
I am into nuts.
I love it.
Great stuff.
This Friday,
The Rescue Rangers are back.
I can't believe we're doing this. Prepare for the comeback.
We're gonna be heroes.
The world didn't know it needed.
The fans are hungry for it.
I was always more of an Alvin and the Chipmunks person.
You monster. Disney's Chip and Dale Rescue Rangers. Streaming Friday. Only on Disney Plus. Rated PG. Parental guidance suggested.
When you're letting out your inner rock star, the show must always go on. That means downloading your music so it's always with you, even when you're on the road. Keep the music you love close with Spotify Premium, and you'll never miss out on an epic offline listening experience. Right now, you can get 3 whole months for $9.99 and cancel anytime. Tap the banner to learn more.
Double kill. Rampage.
Show them.
I remember times when I ain't have shit. No food in my crib, now I live lavish. They say they love me to my face, but I can't stand it. Them hoes ain't fucking me back then, now they attracted. Effing attached to my bro and he gon' blast it. Don't tell me what I've been through, you don't know. Baby, I do mine. Without, one good. It's for my little bro, just a show. One day you good. For my mom, cause I told her one day I would. My life been tragic, thank you for asking. I see too many of my fam end up in caskets. I see too many of my friends turn into ashes. But she still had them. Light of blood, put it to the sky. I'm tryna get high. Devil stop, look me in my eyes, tell me it's alright. Had to cut plenty people off, money out my mind. I can't fuck with them, I can't trust nobody. I remember times when I ain't have shit. Yeah, no food in my crib, now I live lavish. They say they love me to my face, but I can't stand it. Them hoes ain't fucking me back then, now they attracted. Effing attached to my bro and he gon' blast it. Don't tell me what I've been through, you don't know. Baby, I do mine. Without you, I'm good. This is for my little bro, this is Sean. One day you good. I did this for my mom, cause I told her one day I would. My money, they fake as fuck, I know they ain't mad. I still ain't done, I ain't switching up. I ain't giving up, I'm going in, where's my friends? I ain't thinking clear, tell me what I did, Alice with the Benz. I give it all back right now, just to see who's smart. I get my hoes back on slime, just to have you now. Ain't my friend, ain't my woody, ain't my dog. Better get some money, be the only reason that they come around. And top down, everything going smoothly. Hope they don't try me. Come out on top, I'm sure I'm big time. Hitters after me, but got so many rooms for me. I done left them down when I ain't have shit. No food in my crib, now I live lavish. They say they love me to my face, but I can't stand it. Them hoes ain't fucking me back then, now they attracted. Effing attached to my bro and he gon' blast it. Don't tell me what I've been through, you don't know. Baby, I do mine. Without you, I'm good. This for my little bro, this is show. One day you good. I did this for my mom, cause I told her one day I would.
Triple kill.
Neil.
Quadra kill. That's 7 in a row. Double kill. That's 9 in a row.
Show them. No mercy.
Just got some top from this stripper bitch. She from Kanka, she just called a cop with a ruler clip. What on play, what on picture, hey, what I had this way. You know how it go, so I bought some dope and took her till I just got a top from this stripper bitch. She from Kanka, she just called a cop with a ruler clip. What on play, what on picture, hey, met her at the spot. You know how it go, she high as go, so I bought some dope and took her till I she don't know that pop, say she love her, say she love her. You know I'm the player, we can go that first, I bust the years, pour the guns, she live out of pockets, getting dark, my clock on my lap, I'm just thinking smart, so she gets smart.